Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to explain how the linear search algorithm it will implemented by the Python. It performance implementation. We will analyze the time complexity and different input size to visualize the results. The overview of linear search. Linear search is a straightforward algorithm to finding the target value within the list. It sequentially check each element until the target found list ends. It simply make to implement the easily understand. Now we have to finding the one element in array list. It can be used the linear search algorithm. But the linear search algorithm one disadvantage is it the finding the element in linear manner one after one element. But the understanding the linear search is a analyzing algorithm efficiency. It survives a baseline for comparing more complex search algorithm. Analyze addition it performs the various noticeable on different size input data. Use cases of linear search algorithm is particularly useful for small data sets, unsorted data where other search algorithm may not perform efficiently. It can be applied such searching for an item in a simple list. Validation user input and cases where the simplicity implementation outweigh of the need of the speed. In case the searching of element in begin starting of the list. Code explanation. The linear search algorithm can be implemented in the Python using simple function that it iterates through each element and the list. The function check if the current element matches the target, returning the index if found or minus one target is not present the list. The implementation highlight the clarity and ease case of the beginners. Performance analysis. The performance of linear search is big O of n, where n is the number of elements in the list. As the size of the list increases, the time taken to search a linear also grow. The analyze the essential for understanding to use the linear search. The output for more efficient algorithm, especially with large database. The large database, the linear search not efficient for finding the element at the end of the list. In case of we have to find the element in the starting of the array, it is the best case. The visualization of results. The linear search algorithm to visualize to perform the linear search algorithm, we can plot the graph with the time taken against the different values of n. The graph will be show the how the execution time increased linearly with the number of elements, providing insights into the efficiency and limitations. You can all see the code implementation of the Python code. The linear search code will implemented using the Python code. It can sh- it can sh- it can shows the best case, worst case, and average case of the linear search algorithm. In case we have to find the element at the starting of the array, it is an best case. In case of the element is found, find the last of the array is the worst case. In case of the number of linear search is taken from the array, it is called average case. The graph is show the linear search time complexity. The x-axis we taken the list of size n. The y-axis we have to take in the time in milliseconds. The blue graph represents the best case big O of n. The yellow graph represents the big O of n, and average case it represents the big O of n. The three graph the the three best cases are different with the different color codes. The conclusion. The linear search is fundamental algorithm for suitable for small data sets and specific users cases. Although it performs the limitations must be considered in larger data sets. Understanding the implementation use cases and perform allow better algorithm selection in various applications. The linear search algorithm mainly used to finding the element in the array of the list. It can be useful for larger data sets, but can Thank you.